Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to send iMessage on your iPhone device and it's sending as text message, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. If you're sending iMessage and it's sending message on your iPhone or iPad device, or it's sending text message on your iPhone device. So here you can see that here is showing iMessage. Here I can send iMessage to someone on my iPhone or iPad device. So if iMessage is not showing and text message is showing here, then here in this video I'll show you how you can fix this problem and how you can send iMessage on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here we need to open setting, then here scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here we need to open setting, then here tap on your Apple ID profile. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here we need to tap on sign in and security. Here we need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to wait a while it's processing. Then after that, here you will have to verify your email address, and if you don't have entered your email address, then here you will have to enter your email address by tapping edit, then tap add email or phone number. Then here you need to tap add an email, then verify it. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here again open setting on your iPhone device. So after that, here we need to scroll it down and here search for iMessage. So here you will need to search for message. Here we need to tap on this, and here you can see that here is the option of iMessage. So here first of all you will need to disable this, and after that try to enable this form here. So after that it's waiting. Here you will need to wait a while. So here you can see that here is the option of send and receive. Here you will have to select your Apple ID Gmail address. Then after that go back, and here you need to again scroll it down, and here make sure that this toggle should be turned on from here, and the send and receive is also turned on from here, and here send as SMS. Here you will have to disable this toggle from here. Then after that go back and try to send iMessage. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send iMessage on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.